What's up, Germans Plant World family? Um guys, are you ready for this video? So I wasn't actually prepared for this video, but I kinda am. So I was just doing schoolwork randomly and they just called me and I'm like, what, am I in trouble? No. Wait until you see this. So I was just telling you how the why I thought I was in trouble when they called me. I wasn't in trouble, but this is what happened. So we decided to harvest our sweet potatoes because it looked like it was time. When we start harvesting the sweet potatoes, they just randomly, like they were just growing out the pot, and
Pick
they were
the pot
growing
up so you can show them the bottom of it.
See, there's sweet potatoes growing out of the pot of the holes on the bottom. And they were just growing in the ground. We had to dig through the mulch and find different kinds of sweet potatoes.
Daddy, bring that white one over here. Because this one has a sweet potato growing in it again.
Right now, we are about to harvest it. We're going to transfer all the
big
dirt
white one
and put it into this pot right here.
No, not this one. This one we just found out after we harvested the sweet potatoes from here. I guess we didn't take all the roots. It started growing more sweet potatoes. So, not this one. That's a sweet potato growing.
No, so we're not going to put the dirt in.
We're going to put it in that one.
Okay. So, sweet potatoes are actually growing in that one. We harvested that like a month ago?
Yeah, about a month. Oh, no. Those are sweet potatoes.
Then where are we supposed to put the pots in?
Then we're going to have to do this here. Let me move it over. See? Show them.
See, sweet potatoes just started growing after we harvested. We thought it was just going to be plain dirt, but nope, sweet potatoes are growing back.
So, put it in here. Mom. Okay.
I'm telling you, sweet potatoes are like a weird thing to have in your, as a plant, isn't it?
But it's fun.
Yeah, when you harvest it, and it was kind of fun when we were digging through the mulch and things. So, we'll be right back once I get back. So, okay, so this is what we got from the ground and when they were growing out the pots. So they were these are all the sweet potatoes we harvest from the ground, digging through the mulch. Some of them we could have probably left a little longer, but it's okay. Look at this big thing. It's just so big.
I'm excited.
And we're gonna cook with these, and it's kind of fun to have your own sweet potatoes to grow. You don't have to buy them at the grocery store and just grow your own. It doesn't really take that long for them to grow, does it?
Takes like 3 months.
3 months.
3 to 4 months.
3 to 4 months. So that's not actually that's not bad. This is all like this one right here could have stayed a little more. It would have turned into a bigger one, but that's okay.
That's okay. Y'all get ready to take them to the house.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
I'll be right back. We're about to harvest this one right here.
You might want to move that one out the way.
So we're gonna be transferring the dirt into that trash bag.
You kind of show them the bottom.
Look at all the sweet potatoes that are just growing out of this pot. So I'm glad we realized that it was time to harvest.
Yeah.
Should we get started?
We should. Scissors, please.
Here you go.
You have to cut the leaves back to try to get in there. Right.
Look.
Oh, dang.
You might want to move the trash bag just a little bit.
Is that good?
So that they can see him on camera.
Okay. Is that good?
Yeah. Okay, here.
So
Take that.
leaves.
Y'all ready?
In the trash bag?
In the trash bag.
You want me to hold the pot? Just in case.
We're not going to eat the leaves this time. But you can eat sweet potato leaves. Put it right here. You make sweet potato leaves just like you would cook spinach. Y'all ready?
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Oh.
I think you should pour from this part. Oh, I can see its roots from right here.
Yeah. Y'all might want to start digging, actually.
Oh, yeah.
But, hey, how about we just scoop it into the trash bag?
Sure.
Yeah. So bring the trash bag closer and we can just scoop this dirt into the trash bag so that they can see what we pull out. Pull it closer. Danny, you're right in front of the camera.
dumping the dirt into the trash bag. Wait, what are we doing? Oh,
Yeah, dumping it in.
Wow. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of roots.
That's a lot of roots already.
I'm trying not to.
I don't,
I'm trying not to root that.
maybe they're down in the bottom.
They probably are.
Sweet potato roots.
Ah, I almost cut one.
Not much.
Oh,
Oh wow.
yeah, there's
Those
lots
are
of
sweet
roots.
potato roots.
Okay.
Like, what?
Wow.
So did they all grow out the bottom and not in the pot?
Yes. So.
That's a little weird for the sweet potatoes. Our sweet potatoes were just weird growing.
Oh,
Oh wow. Oh guys, do you
Look.
see this?
oh, look,
I
look,
see them.
look.
Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Guys. You want me to bring it
Oh,
closer?
wow.
Look.
Wow.
Sweet potatoes growing inside
Oh
the
my
tote.
gosh.
Oh, we should have left it longer. Y'all think?
Wow.
Yeah, we should have maybe
Look
left
at
it.
this.
Okay, let's not do the other one then.
Are you sure?
Yeah, let's just do this one and leave the other one longer because these aren't that big.
Look at these roots.
They're all right there in the bottom. Nancy, you're in front of the
Oh,
camera.
sorry.
Okay, so I'm holding it. Y'all gonna tear it
Oh,
apart?
sorry.
We have to put it in.
Wait, get the sweet potatoes and put them in a bowl, in the thing right there.
So, it's harvesting this sweet potato. It's okay. It happens.
Okay.
Oh, that one was a little bit deeper.
Wow.
Sweet. Still gonna have the sweet potato.
It looks like all the sweet potatoes went into the mulch.
Man, this is crazy. What is this right here? Is this just like a group of fan
Maybe
party?
it's this.
Looks like.
Man, see?
But yet, in the mulch they grew everywhere, but in the pot they grew in one spot.
No,
Yeah, let's leave the other ones in the pot for longer.
Where'd it go? That one. Skinny butler.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Just long pieces of.
Sweet potato.
Yeah.
You can put that back in the ground, actually.
Really?
Yeah, you can plant that right on that, just like that.
Here's another one.
You got it? Take it up there, let them see.
This is what we got. Man, just roots hanging from the bottom like that.
Oh, what's this? Oh, that's
Sweet potatoes, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6
Looking
sweet
like
potatoes
carrots.
out of this. Like you just carrot. I mean, can I try a piece?
Yeah, you can eat it out the dirt.
Let me try.
What's it taste like? Nasty?
I'd rather have it cooked. So,
Let's put the other one back. We won't mess with that one. We'll let that grow back in.
Oh,
No, that was it.
okay.
Yeah,
yeah, it could have grew more, but that's okay.
yeah,
We're
that was
still
it.
learning on how to grow stuff.
Ah, oh. Ah, breaking up. Oh,
Any more?
Nope, that's it.
no, it's just
Just roots.
that one's little.
Yeah,
Will it do?
just roots.
Mm.
I can still cook those, y'all.
So they're just growing. Like,
My reds are
Turn it to the camera.
so red.
they just, it feel like they stuck, but just pull them. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Ah!
Oops.
Well, they just started growing
Got it.
through the hole. I guess they didn't have. Well, duh, they were growing in the bottom of the pot, just in that one little spot. So, duh, they felt crowded. Why didn't they grow up a little more, Mom?
I don't know, babe. I mean, they did their thug fizzle.
Oh, not all of it that I just pulled out.
So that is all the sweet potatoes we harvest?
No,
Yep.
because
Well-
we can put that back in the ground.
Yes.
And then we
Yeah.
have 2 more spots over there where they're growing out of the ground.
Yep, and I'll be showing you that in a little bit. So, see ya. Hold on. So, guys, so I'm about to show you where we dug. So, as you can see, this is like a big hole in the center. That's where we just started digging some of the sweet potato. Like, I put my foot in, it's really deep. As you can see, that's sweet potato growing right there out of the pot. And we put it back in the spot because we don't want to pull it out yet. Anyways, I just looked, it's right next to my tie hut. And, like, guys, it just started growing out the ground. Let me show you the other spot. 2 spots. So, hey, Gecko. Gecko. Okay, never mind. So, this is another hole. Push that, boom. That's like another hole where we just dug everything. So that was the sweet potato plant right there. And for a reason why there's another hole right there, because like the sweet potato leaves were just growing. They were taking up all this space. Like they were probably right here, and a leaf would probably be all the way right there. Here, where my foot is. So guys, that's like a long way down. Guys, this is crazy. I've never seen a sweet potato harvest like this, and it's definitely an ordinary one. I mean, kind of different one, you know? So, oh, we got one right here. A little root. It could have grown more. I'm gonna leave it in there just so it can grow. Alright? So, yeah. Keep that there. And, yeah, guys, I'm about to go in the house and show you what my mom's doing with the sweet potato plants. So, see you in the house. This is the whole harvest. Beep. Meow. This is the whole harvest we did right now. Little sweet potatoes, medium sweet potatoes, and carrots. Like, it just grew like carrots. Like, about 6 of them in there. This big bad boy that just grew. So happy for sweet potatoes.
I'm still gonna cook them.
Yes, ma'am. Wait, are we gonna put the thing that grew like a carrot, back in the ground?
We can separate it.
Oh, we're gonna separate it. So, medium ones. They could have stayed, yeah. But
That's why we left the other ones in the pot.
yes, ma'am, because we knew this wasn't ready yet. So, how long should we wait for the other one?
October. How about Halloween?
Oh yeah, Halloween. So I'll make another video for that on Halloween for that second harvest for the other one. So stay tuned on my channel and don't forget to subscribe so you get notified when I post any videos. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you enjoyed that video. Peace.